The tech community is buzzing with excitement, and for good reason. Apple's highly anticipated M5 iPad Pro has been exposed in leaks and insider reports well before its official launch. Every time Apple refreshes its iPad Pro lineup, it isn't just about a minor performance bump. It's about setting a new standard for what a tablet can be. With a jump to the powerful M5 chip, massive design changes, new display technology, AI-focused upgrades, and next-generation accessories, this upcoming device has the potential to reshape how we think about tablets, laptops, and even portable creative machines. Today, we're diving into everything we know so far, all the leaks, rumors, and insider information about the M5 iPad Pro. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. By the end of this breakdown, you'll see why this launch could be one of the most important in Apple's iPad history. For years, the iPad Pro has stood as the gold standard of tablets, a device powerful enough to rival laptops but portable enough to fit into any bag. But while Apple has slowly blurred the line between an iPad and a MacBook, the M5 generation seems to be the first time where Apple might truly make the iPad Pro feel like a full computer replacement, powered by advanced silicon and AI-driven optimizations. The leaks suggest a re-engineered body, redesigned accessories, and even iPadOS features that bridge the long-standing gap between iPads and Macs. So, what exactly is changing? Let's start with the beating heart of the device, the Apple M5 chip. The M5 chip is shaping up to be one of Apple's most impressive silicon advancements yet. Built on TSMC's next-generation 2nm process, the M5 isn't just about raw performance. It's about efficiency, machine learning acceleration, and AI-first workflows. Early reports claim up to a 25 to 30% CPU performance boost over the M4, and even more dramatic GPU improvements, possibly rivaling dedicated GPUs found in Ultrabooks. But the real story here is neural performance. Apple is rumored to be doubling down on the neural engine, boosting on-device AI capabilities to new levels. Imagine real-time video editing with AI-assisted scene detection, instantaneous Photoshop-level image manipulation, or on-device generative AI models running without needing to connect to the cloud. This is Apple's way of future-proofing the iPad for the next wave of AI-driven apps. But a processor this powerful needs a display worthy of showcasing its capabilities. And here's where things get even more exciting. Multiple sources confirm that Apple is finally introducing OLED panels across the iPad Pro lineup. Unlike the current mini LED display, OLED will allow for true blacks, infinite contrast ratios, and a much thinner form factor. For creators, this is a game changer. Whether you're a photographer color grading images, a filmmaker scrubbing through HDR footage, or a digital artist perfecting every pixel, the accuracy and vibrancy of OLED will transform the experience. Plus, rumors hint that Apple is pushing the refresh rate boundaries further, potentially allowing adaptive refresh rates ranging from 1 Hz all the way to 120 Hz. This means buttery smooth animations when you need them, and extreme power savings when you don't. Speaking of power savings, battery life is another area where the M5 iPad Pro looks to excel. Thanks to the efficiency gains of the 2nm process and OLED's energy-friendly nature, reports suggest that users could see an extra 2 to 3 hours of real-world usage compared to the M4 model. For power users,